Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway. Now this is the bridge that was built by 10 to 12 Miles Bull Bay and takes you over to the Sun Coast Adventure Park or the Sun Coast area. This is a new alignment that was built for the road. In other words, the road from Harborview to this point ran along the existing roadway. So that road was expanded to 4 lanes. But from this point to the Sun Coast area, the highway goes through the hill. Not over the hill, through the hill. And there you can see the hill on either side. And this is a new road that was built. So we're giving you a tour of this section of the highway. Now this road, the NWA is trying to get 2 lanes finished between Harborview and Yallows for the end of August. So from this point all the way back to Albion, the 2 lanes are finished. It's just left to paint, but that's usually the very last thing left to do. I wouldn't be surprised if they open this highway without painting it. But we're going to show you the finished section now. So this highway is 4 lanes. From Harborview to Yallows, it's 4 lanes. But as we said earlier, they're trying to get 2 lanes open. So these are the 2 lanes on this side while they work on that 2 on the other side. Now the entire highway is scheduled to finish in December 2023. And that's from Harborview to Yallows. Actually, this highway is broken up into 15 sections, and they want to finish all the sections that work is currently on, which is 10 sections, 10 out of the 15 sections by December 2023. So we'll keep you guys updated on that. You can see just how nice this road is. Really a spectacular road they have built over here. And if you think this road is nice, you must look at the Maypen to Mandeville Highway. Wow! Jamaica is definitely progressing nicely. This road is magnificent. Spectacular road. Never before have you seen a road like this on this side of the island. But you must take a look at the Maypen to Mandeville Highway. We have the videos up, check it out. Finished section, Maypen to Mandeville Highway. It's unbelievable how nice that road is. I mean, it's just as nice as this one, maybe even nicer. But trust me, Jamaica is moving along nicely when it comes on to these roads. You have to love the progress. You have to give the government credit. Whichever one started the highway and whichever one opens it, they have done an excellent job. And of course, China Harbour Engineering Company built both of them. They built all of them. But this is a very nice road. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.